In this screencast, we are going to show you how to convert standard images within a document in different Docxpresso components. In order to illustrate the process, we're going to start by the very end, the result. So here we have a Docxpresso template, and whenever we click here in signature, we just can introduce a signature. If we just click here in this image, we are invited to choose an image from our computer, and in this case, when we click here, we open the webcam and we can take a photo. And like you can see, we have included here also a QR that is going to be fed with the text that we introduce here. Now, if we just hit send and open the generated document, we can see that we have here the signature, the image that we uploaded, the capture from the webcam, and the generated QR. How did we do it? Well, it is pretty simple. Like always, we start with a plain Word document where we have introduced certain images that we want to become interactive. So what we have to do is just to go to any of these images and click with the right button and edit alt text and introduce a Docxpresso type variable that is just plain text surrounded by curly brackets. We do the same thing for all the other images. Okay. And we have also introduced a plain text variable because we want to generate a QR out of it, like we showed before. So whenever we are done, we just hit the save button and upload this template to Docxpresso. We just drag and drop the file to Docxpresso, and the file is converted into a web page, and the system has detected that there are some interactive images and variables, etc. So we just click on Save Template, choose a name and a category, and Save Template. We are redirected to the main page of the template that has just been created, and we just click here on Edit. Like you can see, if I click in the first image, what I did is just declare the source of this component within the final document, like a signature pad. Here, just like a picture. Here, like a webcam. We have just chosen webcam. And here, we just told Docxpresso that the source is a QR, and we want the final size of the QR to be 250 times 250 pixels. An important thing is that we want to define associated to the value of a variable, and we're going to choose the variable to be QR text. Save changes, and if we just go and save and preview, we already have the result that we showed at the beginning of the screencast. I would like to finish just by stressing that in the same way that we have generated this interactive document, we can use a web form that is also automatically generated, where we can use the same functionality. Okay. So I think that this is a brief but reasonably complete introduction on how to convert standard images in a Word document in different Docxpresso components. Thanks for your attention.